The stamper helper function is done now. In the binary font data section, we've marked the end of the section now, and we've added this little helper variable we're going to use later. We've changed this from debug to ECI for error check inputs, and we've added these artificial constraints because the use case for this will be for the master memory. We can remove this if we ever use it for something else. We're going to use these temporary variables later down in the code. Here is the variable we declared in the data section, and we're loading it with the text color and the border color in a very specific order, and we're going to use it to avoid branching in our code. We've added some more debug code to our main loop that's stamping the pixels in our glyph. You can pause here to look at it. We were originally going to select the color to stamp by using some branching. I decided we're not going to do it this way. We're actually going to do it with a lookup table, and here's our lookup table logic right here. Here's how we decide whether or not we are on a border pixel. And here's a temporary reference to this, so that this line isn't too long when we get the pixel color we're going to set. Here we extract that pixel color, and here we set that pixel color. Here's the global pixel index converted to a global byte index, and the correct offset to those different bytes. We've also marked the ends of different sections because these sections have gotten kind of long. What we did previously, footnotes, and what we did in this video. So you can get the source code here, and I need to get out of here. Like and subscribe.